Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see other viewers on Facebook story. For that you will have to launch your Facebook mobile application and then you need to tap on the story that you have posted. As you can see over here that this is the story that I have posted few hours ago. Now over here you are going to see the option of viewers. So you will have to tap on this drop up button and here you are going to see all of the viewers that have viewed your story. Now here you are also going to see the option of other. It simply means that your story is public and the other people who are not your friends can also view it. Now if you want to check who has viewed your story, then you will have to come back to the home page and then you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you just have to tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Now in the settings you are going to see a bunch of different options, but among these options you will have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the stories option. You will see it in the audience and visibility section. So you will have to tap on stories. After that you need to tap on story privacy. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the status of your stories. As you can see over here that my stories are on public mode. It simply means that the other person who are not my friend will be able to view my story. But if your reels is on friend or custom, then unfortunately you will not be able to get the others option. Now over here, if you have the other option, it simply means that your story is public. Now in order to view the other people, you will have to tap on custom and here you are going to see your friends. Now for other people, you will have to swipe to the left and here in this section, you are going to see all of the people who are not your friend and viewed your story. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.